Hey y'all, today I'm going to be whipping up some loaded hash brown omelets here on my Charbroil 4-burner gas griddle. Let me show you how to make them. Begin by preheating your griddle to a medium heat, and while that's heating up, I assembled all of my ingredients here on my Charbroil prep cart. Start by adding some oil to your griddle, spreading it around, and then add on your hash browns. I toss them around in the oil and then spread them out into a large rectangle. I season the hash browns with some Cajun seasoning, and then you leave them to start browning up. On the other side of the griddle, I laid out some bacon and let that start cooking. I then added on some bell pepper, onion, and some nacho jalapenos to cook in the bacon grease. I sauteed that up until the veggies were getting tender and the bacon was getting crispy, and then I poured on some ham. When your toppings are almost done, on the other side of your griddle, you're going to pour on 12 eggs on top of your hash browns that are getting crispy. Use your spatula to spread them out thin. I threw on some good old American cheese and tossed together all of my toppings. I added those right on top of my hash browns and then used my spatula to cut it up into 6 sections. Now it's as simple as just folding those omelets in half. They may not be the prettiest thing, but boy are they tasty. Drizzle with some sour cream, salsa, and maybe even a couple of slices of avocado for the perfect finishing touch. And that is how I make the tastiest breakfast here on my Charbroil gas griddle.